Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can delete tabs in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets on my phone and I have opened my spreadsheet as well. And we're going to delete tabs on this spreadsheet. So these are the tabs. And if we want to delete the tabs, the first thing we have to do is selecting the tab that we want to delete. We can slide our screen like this, or we can also click on this button. Then choose the tab that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this tab. So just click on the tab like this and click on this tab until this option appear on your screen. Then since we want to delete the tab, we can click on delete button right here. Then just click on OK. Alright guys, and now the tab has been deleted, and that's how we can delete tabs in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.